Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to review a very common product that has been used by many Indians, and the product is Amul Butter. Today we are going to unbox and talk about the Amul Butter, and we are going to review this butter. So stay tuned for it. So guys, starting off with a review of the Amul Butter, let's look at the packaging. The Amul Butter has been in this packaging for quite some years, and this is a common packaging that we all know Amul Butter of. It comes in a yellow color packaging with the Amul Girl here, the Amul girl who has been the face of Amul for more than a decade now, more than 2-3 decades. This face is very familiar, and here is the branding Amul. Here they have named the product, which is pasteurized butter, and then here comes a very common tagline of Amul, which everybody knows, utterly butterly delicious. And this is the mascot of Amul here, and has been there for Amul for decades right now, and this is their mascot, and everybody knows Amul by just looking at the mascot. So this is the Amul Butter front page of the packaging, the face of the packaging. Moving on the sides, they have the same thing, the mascot, the Amul branding in Hindi this time. It's in Hindi here, Amul in Hindi. Pasteurized makhan, mulayam majedar makhan is the tagline in Hindi. And coming on the back side of the pack, they have mentioned that this pack is of a net weight of 500 grams, that's half kg packet, and it has been priced at rupees 235. So the price for half kg of Amul butter is 235. So whoever wants to know the price of half kg of Amul butter, the price is 235. It is a 100% vegetarian product. Here's a vegetarian mark on it. And here are the nutritional facts. It packs every 100 gram of the Amul butter packs in a calorie of 722, energy of 722 kcals. It has total fat of 80 grams per 100 grams. Out of 100 grams, 80 grams is fat. The sodium is 836 because of the salts used. And there's zero carbohydrates, zero sugar, 0.5 grams of protein, vitamin A, mcg is 650. Ingredients are butter and common salt. And then they are written here as the license number from FSSAI. The shelf life of the Amul butter is 12 months from the date of packaging. There's a shelf life. On the other side here, we have on the lower side of the packet, here we have the Amul butter is also available in various sizes. Like it's available in a 100 gram packet, it's available in a 50 gram chiplet, a 20 gram chiplet, a 10 gram single serve packet as well, and a 200 gram tub pack. So here you all can see the various sizes of Amul butter that are available, the various packaging that are available. Yeah, so that is all the info that's available on the box. You can see once again, you can look at the front packaging of the Amul butter, and now we are going to unbox this butter. So let's go ahead, and here it is. We have unboxed the butter. We have opened box. And here is a slab of butter that comes in. The butter is wrapped in a butter paper, which is again branded with Amul. You can see here Amul Butter Pasteurized, 500 grams. The net weight is also mentioned on the butter paper. There's 500 grams. Amul Dairy, a unit of GCMMF Limited, previously known as Mother Dairy, Gandhinagar. Okay, so it's made by Mother Dairy, it looks like. So this is the Amul butter. This is pasteurized stable butter is what's written here. And Sarkari Doodh Vitran Sangha, something Sarkari Doodh Vitran Sangha is written on it. And this is the packaging that comes inside. Let's go ahead and just taste it. So here we are going to just taste the Amul butter. I know everyone has tasted it, but still I'll do a taste test for you. So I'll just lick out a little butter on my finger and just gonna lick it out. Amul butter just has a perfect taste. Not very salty. It's very buttery and very smooth. Has a nice salty taste to it. So I like the Amul butter. I've tried other butters like the President butter, then there was Delicious butter, and I tried the Delecta butter, but nothing can compare. Even the Nutrilite butter, but nothing can compare to the Amul butter. The best out of the lot is the Amul butter, and I feel there's no comparison from any other butter to come close to the taste that Amul butter provides. So perfect butter for your tea times, to have bread with, like slice of bread with butter. If you want to have butter bread, you can have butter bread. If you want to have bun maska pav, you can go for bun maska pav. Everywhere Amul can be used. Amul butter is used in so many recipes. Make it butter chicken, make it butter paneer, whatever it is. It all tastes well with the Amul butter. So guys, this was my review on the Amul butter. It is an extremely amazing product and goes well with any dish. So I would rate it a 5 on 5 for the Amul butter. Compared to any other butters in the market, it is the best out of them. So I'll give it a 5 on 5 for its taste and packaging. Do let me know your reviews on the Amul butter in the comments below. If you all think any other butter is better than Amul, let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to go ahead and do a review on the same. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.